Multiprogramming and interrupts. Multiprogramming. The OS makes it appear that multiple programs are being executed at the same time. This is called multiprogramming. It is an innovation to decrease idle CPU time and operate the computer efficiently. Let us think about a single program being executed by the CPU. If the program instructions are executed by the CPU in 10 milliseconds and the input-output operation takes 50 milliseconds, the time for the CPU and input-output operation would be as shown in the illustration. As you can see from this timing chart, the CPU is only executing one program, underprogramming. In this case, the input-output time is long, so the CPU is almost idle. Multiprogramming tries to run other programs to make use of this idle time. Let us think about this using the next example. Program A and Program B are executed. A uses the IO1 IO device and B uses the IO2 IO device. If the CPU executes Program A for 10 milliseconds and a single IO1 operation takes 50 milliseconds and Program B is executed for 20 milliseconds and a single IO2 operation takes 40 milliseconds, what will the timing chart look like? We assume if either Program A or B can be executed, Program A will be executed first. In other words, priority is given to Program A. As you can see in the illustration, the CPU idle time is reduced and the computer is used efficiently. If you think of the CPU as a resource of the computer, you could say that the resource is used effectively. In the multiprogramming environment, when the CPU executes the program's I/O instructions, the actual I/O operations are done by the I/O channel for PCs or the DMA controller for PCs. In addition, when the I/O operation has finished, some kind of notification is needed for the CPU. This notification is called the interrupt.